Welcome to Midtown Comics TV. I'm Mario, and today we're unboxing the Dragon Ball Super King Clustar Super Saiyan Broly full power figure from Bandai and Ban Presto. This box is beautiful and properly shows off the monster inside. Broly is protected by two pieces of plastic, and he's a complete figure out of the box. No assembly necessary. This gray piece is a clip-on block that helps Broly stand. I'll show you how to use it in a second, but I found that he will stand without it, but it adds a sense of security. Now let's get the legendary Super Saiyan himself. He's a heavy beast of a figure, and you can feel where the weight is. This is how you snap the base to his left foot. Stand him up and you're all set. Broly stands at approximately 12 inches tall and is amazingly detailed. From the hairs on his head, the beautifully crafted scars and torso muscles, to his back muscles, his leg muscles, even the palm of his hand. He was crafted with such attention to detail. I mean, look at that face. It looks like it was pulled right out of the movie. Let's take him outside and see how he photographs. This figure is awesome, and I had a ton of fun taking pictures with him. This is a highly photogenic Saiyan. Broly is available at all 3 Midtown Comics locations and online while supplies last, so get your legendary Super Saiyan today.